Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're exploring a topic that might completely transform how you perceive and connect with the women in your life. We're uncovering 7 incredible truths about what women truly value, things they deeply appreciate but often don't voice out loud. If you've ever found yourself wondering what women genuinely think or how to build stronger, more fulfilling relationships, then this video is exactly what you need. Whether you're looking to strengthen your bond with your partner, improve your communication, or simply understand women on a deeper level, these insights will make a real difference. Make sure to stick around until the end. We've prepared 2 bonus tips that go beyond the ordinary. These aren't just about building connection. They're designed to help you grow into a more confident, understanding, and desirable version of yourself. And hey, before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our upcoming content, full of practical advice and timeless wisdom to improve not just your relationships, but your entire approach to life. Now, let's dive in and discover the keys to deeper connections and lasting happiness in your relationships. Grab a coffee, find a comfy spot, and let's get started. Why understanding women is simpler than you imagine. Many men believe that women are a puzzle, but here's the good news. Understanding women is not as complicated as it seems. Women often communicate their desires and feelings in subtle ways, through their actions, gestures, and sometimes their quiet moments. These aren't riddles to solve. They're opportunities to connect more deeply. The key is paying attention. A smile, a thoughtful pause, or even a sigh can speak volumes. Women share their inner world through these cues, and when you start noticing them, you'll realize they're not hiding anything. It's just a different way of expressing themselves. In this video, we'll guide you through the art of observing and interpreting these signals, helping you build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Plus, we'll wrap things up with a bonus tip that will change how you approach communication forever. Get ready to see the beauty of connection through a fresh lens. 1. The magic of a simple massage. Picture this: soft, dim lighting, the gentle aroma of a soothing lotion, and your hands moving tenderly across her skin. It's not just about easing tension or offering physical relaxation. It's a quiet, yet deeply meaningful act of love and care. A message says more than words ever could. It's your way of showing her that she matters, that you're present, and that her well-being is a priority to you. The beauty lies in the spontaneity. Women rarely ask for this kind of gesture, which is what makes it so special when you take the lead. This simple act creates a moment of connection where stress melts away, and you remind her how valued she is. It's not about perfection, it's about intention. Even if you're not an expert, your effort and thoughtfulness are what truly count. 2. The Art of Confident Flirting. Flirting doesn't have to be flashy or filled with over-the-top lines. It's much simpler and more meaningful than that. True flirting is about making someone feel seen, appreciated, and special. It's in the small, genuine moments. A heartfelt compliment that shows you notice her unique qualities. A warm and sincere smile that lights up the space between you. Or a playful glance that says, "I see you." These subtle gestures carry more weight than you might think. They aren't about trying too hard or putting on a show. They're about being present, authentic, and confident. When you flirt respectfully, you're not just making her smile. You're showing her that she's valued for who she truly is. Flirting done right is a dance of connection, an unspoken way of saying, "You matter to me." It brightens her day, strengthens your bond, and brings a little spark of joy to both of you. 3. The intimacy of a simple hair touch. A woman's hair is often a reflection of her personality and individuality, a part of her she takes pride in. Gently running your fingers through her hair when the moment feels right is more than just a physical gesture. It's a way to show care, tenderness, and understanding. The key to making this gesture meaningful is timing. It's not about being spontaneous for the sake of it, but about choosing a moment when she feels relaxed and comfortable. Whether you're sharing a quiet conversation, enjoying a peaceful evening together, or caught in a romantic moment, this simple touch can deepen your connection. It's not about perfection or technique, it's about presence. A soft, intentional gesture like this can communicate affection and emotional closeness without needing words. 4. Gentle gestures that speak from the heart. A tender hand placed lightly on her back as you navigate through a bustling crowd can quietly express a sense of care and protection without coming across as too much. These small, thoughtful acts carry a warmth that words often can't convey. A soft kiss on her neck when she's not expecting it, or wrapping her in a genuine, heartfelt hug, can deepen your connection and linger in her memory for days to come. It's these subtle touches, done with sincerity, that often communicate love and respect more profoundly than grand gestures ever could. 5. Being her pillar of support. What truly matters to women is knowing they have a partner who stands by their side, especially in moments of discomfort or disrespect. It's not about confrontation or aggression. It's about remaining composed and stepping in with quiet confidence when needed. Whether it's addressing an inappropriate comment or helping her navigate a difficult situation, your calm intervention sends a powerful message. It shows her that you respect and value her enough to ensure she feels safe and supported. These actions go beyond words, proving that you're someone she can rely on, someone who has her back no matter what. 6. Letting her know she's in your dreams. To you, it might feel like a small detail, but sharing that she's been in your dreams can mean so much more than you realize. It's a tender and vulnerable gesture, one that quietly speaks volumes about her significance in your life. When you open up and tell her about those moments, you're not just recounting a dream. You're showing her how deeply she occupies your thoughts and emotions. This simple act creates a sense of closeness and reassurance, reminding her that she holds a special place in your heart, even when you're asleep. Sometimes it's the smallest, most honest expressions that leave the biggest impact. 7. The power of a well-kept beard. A beard can be a symbol of strength, maturity, and confidence, but only when it's well cared for. A neatly groomed beard strikes the perfect balance between rugged charm and polished sophistication. It shows that you take pride in your appearance, which can make a significant impression on those around you. Studies have shown that a well-maintained beard can enhance your appeal, projecting both approachability and masculinity. Whether it's trimming, shaping, or keeping it clean and soft, small efforts in grooming can go a long way. It's not just about looking good, it's about reflecting the self-respect and discipline that come with Stoic principles, making you stand out in the best possible way. Bonus tip: the hug that speaks volumes. A well-timed, strong and heartfelt hug can mean the world to a woman. It's not just about wrapping your arms around her, it's about making her feel truly safe, valued and cherished in your embrace. Add a soft kiss on her forehead, and you'll create a moment of tenderness that speaks of love and care on a much deeper level. These little acts of affection show your presence, not just physically, but emotionally as well. Which of these tips struck a chord with you the most? We'd love to hear your perspective. Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you've made it this far, type "I stayed until the end" to let us know you're part of this journey with us. If you're not already a subscriber, don't miss out on becoming a part of our growing community. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more meaningful insights and tips to enrich your relationships. Together, let's explore what it means to truly connect. See you in my next videos. Remember to be there because I need you.